this video, she speaks about how to start a farm using EBT food stamps. Make sure you watch until the end and let me know what you think in the comments below.
Hey guys, so I have thousands of messages asking me how to purchase a farm using EBT. So if you have EBT and you want a farm, then watch this video. If you don't have EBT and you don't wish to acquire by having a farm, don't watch the video. Even though I know you're still watching because you're going to get up here and complain. We know how y'all do. But this is for the ones who want a farm. So I had so many hateful comments like, oh, you're such a disgrace, you're such a welfare queen, and you're teaching everybody how to use the system and blah, blah, this and that. Oh gosh, really? Do you think I would get on this app and do anything that I'm not allowed to do? All right, first things first is you will look on your state's Adopt a Lot website. That's one of the ways. So do you know how there's so many abandoned properties and abandoned lots? Well, depending on your state, they are willing to get rid of those. So if you take care of that lot for 2 years and you have proof that you've been taking care of that lot, at the end of the 2 years, you can purchase that land for $50. That's what we have here. It's called Adopt a Lot. Google it for your area. I do not live in y'all states. I live in Alabama, so I can tell you what it's called in my state. You have to do some of the work yourself in Google for your state. Once you have your lot, okay, there are so many programs out there to help low-income families get a home. What I didn't go through any of those programs. I just got my credit together, and at the time when I purchased my main house, I was only making like $13 an hour as a police officer. Yeah, I know. But I know here, the Salvation Army has programs here that helps first-time homeowners, and they don't even have to put any money down. I didn't go through a program, but I didn't have to put any money down on my house. I actually got money back, which was cool because I used that money to purchase things like for the farm, like the fence and all that, the cattle fencing. Or what you can do is get a tiny home. I have this tiny home, and I believe this one was like $10,000, $9,000, and you can build it however you want to build it, right? This will be a better option for some, and they have some that has upstairs and downstairs. And I think the lowest payment you'll be paying is probably like $100 and something or $200 a month for a home. That's not bad, right? And you can put it on your lot. So here's when the EBT part comes in. Let me show you. All of your fruit trees, all of your seeds, all of your plants, all of these things, this is what you're going to use your EBT for. You're going to purchase all these plants, like the potatoes. This is potatoes. The potatoes that's growing in this bin right here, they came from a bag of grocery store potatoes. You let them grow eyes on it, and you throw them in the dirt, and you're going to grow a ton more. There go a ladybug. Beans. You grow beans. These, I don't buy the seed packs for beans. I just buy $1 big bag of beans, throw them in some dirt, and you're going to grow more beans. These leeks, I got these in the produce section of the grocery store, and I put the bottom parts in the soil after I ate the leeks, and now look at all these are about to be seeds. So I'm about to have a lifetime supply of leeks. Seriously. And then I know a lot of people, they're like, well, where am I going to get the money for the raised beds? This is what you do. You find pallets that's on the side of the road, or if you look on Marketplace on Facebook, they're always giving away free pallets. Take the pallets apart, use that wood, nail a couple nails, and boom, there you go. Okay? Let me show you for your water source. I got I got multiple stock tanks. They're filled up with water from the rain. When the rain hits down, it fills these up, and I have fish in them. I don't know if you can see the fish. We got one that passed away right there, but we're going to bury him somewhere. So the rainwater helps the garden, plus the fish eat the mosquito larvae, so you don't have to worry about having mosquitoes in the area. Another way that the EBT helps is cinnamon. Keeps away the pests, okay? You get that with your EBT. Use coffee grounds, eggshells, all these things that you can get with your EBT. This will start your farm. Then you go online, find your local office, and then you can register your farm if you want to. If not, then you don't have to. But like I said, there's so many resources out here to get a home and start a farm. Even if you do not have EBT there and you just have low income, there are programs in your state to where you can purchase a home. They will help you, but you have to do your job by Googling this information. I absolutely cannot sit here and research for everyone's city and state. I cannot. I have a ton of things to do on my own farm. Also, if you want animals on your farm, the rabbits, their poop, which I'm about to get the kids and we're going to scoop all that up, that is fertilizer that can be used in the garden instantly. The rabbits, they're going to eat what you grow in that garden, which you started it all out from seed from your EBT. The chickens are going to be a food source for you. Plus, you can also use their waste as fertilizer, but not instantly. Then you give them the foods that come out of the garden, just like any other animal, okay? And I know a lot of people, they're probably saying, well, how am I going to buy this soil? How am I going to get this soil? Okay, ways to get soil is, first of all, to fill up raised garden beds, you would download or go on chipdrop.com. They will come and drop off logs and wood shavings. You add that to your raised garden beds. Then you would go to Lowe's or Home Depot and purchase the bags that's already open. Those bags will be 50% to 70% off, okay? Those are bags of dirt. It's going to be the ones you get. Do not try to go out there and get anything fancy. Do you see how my greenhouse is just used pallets, but it still looks nice, right? These are pallets that I got off the side of the road. We're going to save money because we're already low income, right? So you save money and use free resources. I hope all that information helped you guys. Again, if you need me to do any videos or showing you how to do anything else, feel free to comment on this post and I will help you out. And for the ones who absolutely can't stand the fact that some people get EBT, that's all right. You're going to be okay. Oh well, don't lose no sleep about it. I am so happy to help you guys with one EBT card at a time.